Hey guys, I wanted to show you something about this Hobby Lobby pump that was really confusing me. So it's $5.99. Probably get it on sale, knowing Hobby Lobby. So I actually threw one of these away one time because I couldn't figure it out, which maybe that says more about me than the product. But anyway, I'll show you. So you got the lid top, you got the pump, and you got the straw here. So when you open it up, which I've already opened up this one before, you got that. There's nothing else with that. You got the straw, and you got the pump. So when you go to put it together, you put that there, you put, the straw there, but it's all, loosey-goosey. And so I was like, well, there's gotta be like a nut or something to hold that on. And I couldn't find it. I'm like looking through the packaging, I'm like, did somebody else take it, or like, what's the deal? So here's the thing. The nut is actually right here. And you can just barely, there's no hint that that's there. So you just gotta grip it, unscrew it out, and there's your nut. So you take that, put that in there, and then take the nut on the underside and push it through with the threads pointed up towards the top. Which of course my big fingers are in the way. But anyway, so yeah, it's like that, and it holds in there. It's a nice sturdy pump. It's got a thicker, inner part, so I feel like it's not gonna like snap off or anything. This straw is actually a little long. Keep covering my face. A little long for this mason jar, so you'll probably have to snip that. But then you just take off the lid and the insert there, put your straw on. And like I said, it's a little bit big, so it won't actually screw down. But like I said, it's pretty cute, pretty sturdy. $7.50 for that. Every once in a while, you can find them cheaper at like Ross or Marshalls or something like that for the complete setup. But if you want it now, $7.50. It was $7.50 for me. $1.44 for the jar because it was half off. It's normally twice that, and then $5.99 for the pump. But just wanted to show you that nut in case you couldn't find it like me. Have a great day.